Okay, so I'm here in this community. Basically, we have a lot of houses to clean, and I am basically walking through to do a QC. So I'll show you guys just some footage of what that actually looks like. Me doing the QC, but basically these are all new construction homes. As you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful lawns, just really beautiful. So I have cleaning crews in the houses, and they are cleaning as we speak. And afterwards, I'm basically gonna go through and do a quality check and send all the images. One of the things that's really important when you are a cleaning business and you are doing something such as this is these houses have lock codes. So it's really important to make sure that your cleaners can get in, that they have everything that they need. So people say you don't clean, people say things, but guess what? You gotta oversee it, because I will tell you, I saw a lot of things already that I'm like, no, that is not Mack Maids standard. Like, we need to go back and re-clean. So it's really hot outside. But I'm going to start officially taking you guys with me as a part of this process. So you can really see, like, this is actually what it takes to be a cleaning company. And I literally came from the gym to these vacant homes to make sure that everything is okay. So that's why I have on my... All right, so let's go ahead and back up real quick. And I'm gonna talk to you guys for a minute, and then I think I'm gonna go get me something to drink in the store, because they still have one house they're cleaning. We will take it from there. But listen, this is a new client, so I'm being really anal about the cleans, but that's what you have to do, because no one cares about your business more than you. Like, especially if you are utilizing contractors, cleaners, like, they're gonna come clean, but they might think it looks great. But to you, you might be like, absolutely not. Like, he might have just a different standard, which I have a very high standard. So, that's one thing I wanted to share with you guys, is that even when you are cleaning, having someone else to clean, please make sure that you do your due diligence and that you are showing up and that you are checking over things. Because listen, people be trying to get out early, people be trying to finish things, to the point where I did a walkthrough with a cleaner. Let me see, how do I turn this down? Okay. I did a walkthrough with a cleaner, and I basically said, and these are newly built homes, mind you, right? So new construction homes. I literally said, hey, with one of the houses, I said there is a stain in like one of the ovens, and I was like, I want you to go back and do the oven. So she was like about to leave. We're waiting for another house to get the code to open it. She was about to leave, and I said, something in my spirit said, Felicia, ask her to go back and go look at that oven. Y'all, I went to go back, we looked at the oven, and literally there was like, it wasn't done to my satisfaction, let's just say, right? So it's stuff like that that you have to always go behind your cleaners and make sure that you are looking at. What's gonna happen is, when the person that my client, right, when she comes and does a walkthrough and she looks at the home, she's gonna be looking at the details, right? She's not gonna be walking in like, oh, it smells fresh. That's the first thing. But people are moving into these homes, so she's gonna be looking at the details. So you have to really be very critical, to the point where it's like people almost get low-key annoyed with you when you are going through and doing walkthroughs. I will tell you guys that one of the biggest mistakes that I have ever made in my cleaning business, and I only made the mistake once and I will never do it again, is not going and laying my eyes on something. I'm gonna tell you guys something else. When you are QCing, or when you're having someone else go and QC, guess what? They also, I mean, yes, you can train them all the things, but they also may not be as detailed as you. and they can miss something, and what do you have? A 4-star review. What do you have? A complaint. So I'm at the point in my business where I've just made the decision, unless I just, for whatever reason, I'm a mom, like, for whatever reason, if I just physically cannot go do it. But if I can go do it, but I'd rather go do something else, no. I'm taking my butt and I'm looking at the house and I am laying my eyes on it. So I highly, highly recommend that you guys do that as well, because I had a situation where I did not do that and we ended up having to go re-clean. And guess what? My employees are W-2. Guess who has to pay for that? So be diligent. Be very, very diligent. Go back over things. Make sure that they are looking at the details. The other thing is that, especially with new construction, and you know, it looks clean to your eyes. Like the average person, when you walk in the house, it looks really clean. But guess what? When you start rubbing your fingers across things, across the blinds, across all the stuff, it's not clean. You could tell if somebody really ran over it, or if they actually was thorough in their approach and took their time to clean things. So I will let you guys know that I think that is probably one of the biggest lessons that I would say, just as a cleaning business owner, that you want to focus on. I'm Felicia, guys. I am known to many as a queen of content. I help you to create and grow and scale your cleaning business through content marketing, content development, and systems. So if you are at a point where you want to scale your business, grow your business, and do it the right way, then definitely send me a message and I will be more than happy to work with you. You can also go to my website, mackmaids.biz, click on coaching, and then you can schedule a session with me there. Talk to you guys in my next video.